Cullinan sign is superficial edema and worsening in the subcutaneous fatty tissue around the umbilicus. It is sign of intraperitoneal hemorrhage. It is also sign of rupture of fallopian tube or ectopic pregnancy. Great Gray Turner sign. Gray Turner sign refers to bursting of flanks and the part of the body between the last rib and the top of the hip. It is sign of retroperitoneal hemorrhage or bleeding behind the peritoneum. Gray Turner sign. Flank ichthyosis may also be seen in rupture of aneurysm. Sign and symptoms. Cullinan signs. Superficial edema and bursting in the subcutaneous fatty tissue around the umbilicus. Gray Turner sign. Bursting of the flank, part of the body between the last rib to the top of the hip. Sign symptoms. Severe epigastric pain that worsen after meal, fever and malaise, bulky, fatty and foul smelling stool, abdominal tenderness and distension. Management. Limit fat and protein intake, avoid alcohol, heavy meals. Acute pancreatitis, NPO, nil by mouth, total parenteral nutrition. Administer pancreatic enzymes as prescribed to aid in digestion. Surgical interviews. Pancreatojejunostomy. Anastomosis of pancreatic duct to jejunum. Whipple resections. Pancreatoduodenectomy. The head of the pancreas, the first part of the small intestine, duodenum, the gallbladder and bile duct will be removed. The remaining organs are reattached to allow digestion of food normally after surgery. Key points. Morphine causes spasm of sphincter of OD, so it is contraindicated in patients with cholecystitis and pancreatitis.